we are going to solve the exercise 8.2, and the questions are on the basis that comparison of quantities. In this exercise, we have solved some questions on the basis of increasing and decreasing or discount. So we move to the question number 5 without wasting of the time. VCR and TV were bought. Bought means cost price. So we can write the CPO. CP means cost price of VCR is equal to 8,000. Okay, and the cost price of TV is also rupees 8,000. Fine. So the shopkeepers made a loss of 4% on the VCR and profit of 8%. Loss 4% and profit is 8%. Okay, so now find the gain or loss on the whole transaction. तो complete transaction पे आपका loss हुआ या profit हुआ. Okay, so first we will find the selling price of VCR. So there is a loss of 4%. So 100 minus 4, that is 96 upon 100. Fine. So this will be cut. So your 80 multiplied 96. This will be the selling price, and selling price of TV, that is 8% profit. 8,000 into 108 upon 100. So 0 is cancelled by 0. So 80 multiplied 108. Now we will add 80 multiplied 96 plus 80 multiplied 108. So either you can solve in by multiply and then add the number, then you will get the answer, or you can solve the other method. So what we will do, we will do the thing that if you multiply it, we will get 7680 plus 80 multiplied 108 is 8640. Now if you add, then you will get 16,320. Then what is the question? Question is that find the gain or loss percent. Okay, what it is asked? Percent. So it is gain, that is gain of 3,320. so gain percent means you have to find out the gain percent, means 320 out of 8,000 plus 8,000, the total cost price will be 16,000 and multiplied by 100. 0 is cancelled by 0. 16 under 16, 16 to the 32. So 2% gain. Gain means profit. So if you see in this transaction, the complete cost price is 8,000 plus 8,000, that is 16,000, and the selling price is, if we found the selling price, that is 7,680 on VCR, and on TV 8,640. If you add, you will get 16,320. So 320 is profit. This is the profit. So we found the profit percent. Okay. So this is the answer. We find it so simple. So now we move to the question number 6. Question number 6 is, during a sales, a shop offered a discount of 10% on market price of all the items. Whatever you are going to purchase, there is a discount of 10% on MRP. MRP means market retail price. Okay, जिस प्राइस में वो सामान बिकता है. Fine. So what a customer have to pay for a pair of jeans marked at rupees 1450. जीन्स उसने परचेज किया तो ये था, एंड ही परचेज टू शर्ट्स 850 ऑफ ईच, सो वी मल्टीप्लाइड इट बाय 2 850 एंड सो 1700. सो टोटल कॉस्ट आपका बिल कितने का बनेगा? 1450 प्लस 1700. ओके, सो ये तो है आपका बिल, एंड that is 5 0 7 and 4 8 9 10 11 1 carry 1 3. So 3150 is the bill. And now discount is 10% on the total bill. So payable amount आप कहीं दुकान पे जाते हैं तो बोलते हैं ना आपको 10% डिस्काउंट मिल रहा है, तो इतना था और इसका आपको 10% डिस्काउंट दिया जाता है. सो 315 रुपीज़ उन्होंने क्या कर दिया? कम कर दिया. सो क्या निकालेंगे इसको? आपका 3150 में से 315 आप सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, देन यू विल गेट 2835. सो दिस इज द योर पेबल अमाउंट. तो कितनी खुशी हुई, दैट वाज द बिलिंग. लेकिन 10% डिस्काउंट हुआ तो ये 315 कम हो गए. सो द टोटल कॉस्ट इज 2835.